out of bed and catch a fading star. Fancy I woke up before my alarm. Rub my mind through my eyes, it's the best I can do before it's automatic habit of returning to you. Though I smile when it happens, almost as if it was magic. It means there's a God somewhere and he's laughing. And I shuffle my slipperless toes to the kitchen, still low to the ground, but high on living. And I know it's gonna be a good day. Hello, hello, you beautiful thing. Waking up, I stretch my body and acknowledge some aches. Must be something I did yesterday. Pour a cup of liquid gold.